How to read messages without being seen. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys a secret trick in WhatsApp where you can read messages without being seen. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing that you'll need to do is make sure that your WhatsApp is up to date to the latest version. For that, head over to your App Store, go to your search bar, search for WhatsApp, and after you search for WhatsApp, simply check if there is an update button available like this. Tap on the update button to update your WhatsApp to the latest version. After you do that, open up your WhatsApp, and after you open up the WhatsApp, if you have received a text message from anyone, all you need to do is simply long press on that chat, and like this you'll get to see their text. Now, even if you have not seen their text, and if you just look at it like this, it will not be seen. You can just get a simple preview of the chat and you don't even have to open the chat up. And yeah, that is how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.